Wondering what geranium essential oil is good for? Or are you wondering, how do I use geranium essential oil on my face? In this video, I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite geranium essential oil tips and facts, how to use it and what it blends well with. And I will even share with you how to use it on your face. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about geranium essential oil. But before I jump in, I would love to hear how you like to use geranium essential oil, maybe some of your favorite tips or recipes or techniques on using geranium essential oil. Go ahead and add those to the comments below to share with our essential oil community. Geranium essential oil is a sweet floral oil that beautifies the skin and calms the nerves. When taken internally, geranium may support a healthy urinary tract, immune function, and healthy blood pressure, as well as healthy blood sugar levels that are already in a normal range. So what is geranium essential oil? There are over 200 species of the geranium plants, some of which are grown for their showy flowers and others for their scent. doTERRA's geranium essential oil is distilled from a geranium species native to South Africa. The Pelargonian gravelines, which is also known as the rose or sweet scented geranium. Its distinctive rose-like herbaceous aroma is widely used in the cosmetic industry. So what is geranium essential oil good for? When taken internally, geranium helps support cellular health, immune function, and healthy blood pressure and healthy blood sugar levels that are already in the normal range. Geranium is a potent floral essential oil that brings balance to the emotions. It's included in our Clary Calm monthly blend for women for its ability to soothe and balance heightened emotions. Diffusing geranium is a favorite way to experience emotionally balancing benefits. Simply add 3 parts of geranium to 1 part of bergamot and 1 part of lavender. Use geranium topically for a soothing effect by adding 1 drop to your wrist for that instant calming effect. Is geranium essential oil good for the skin? For thousands of years, geranium essential oil has been used to support skin health. It helps reduce the appearance of skin imperfections, keeps the skin looking clean, and balances oily skin. Add a few drops of geranium to your facial moisturizer to beautify the skin. An aromatherapy steam facial with geranium is a favorite spa treatment to beautify the skin. You can make your own do-it-yourself steam facial by adding 3 to 5 drops of geranium to a bowl of hot water and putting a towel over your head, inhaling for a few minutes and allowing the warm moisturizer to penetrate your pores. Geranium is great for both dry and oily hair. Apply a few drops to your shampoo and conditioner bottle to make your own deep hair conditioner. So here are a few fun facts about geranium essential oil. Geranium is a word used to describe hundreds of plant species spanning in 2 different genuses. Thomas Jefferson had a collection of pelargoniums in his garden while president. Geranium essential oil blends well with juniper berry, blue tansy, ylang ylang, neroli, and clary calm. Okay, so those are my favorite things about geranium essential oil and a few fun facts. It's freebie time. As promised, I am excited to give you the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Click the link in the description below and put your email in and it will show up in your inbox shortly thereafter. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Please reach out to me if you are ready to have a free wellness consultation or if you're looking to buy some essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. Bye.